Hello and welcome back to the King and the Flower Pottery. I'm Daisy and today we're working on the eyes of this face mug. I started by attaching 2 small balls of clay and blending them into the mug. As always, it is very important to score and slip to make sure that everything that is attached does not come off. Next, I'm going to blend the ball of clay into the surface of the mug, being careful not to flatten the clay entirely. Now it's time to open up the eyelids. I found it very useful to use a modeling tool to open up the lids and shape them. As I do this step, I'm creating a space for the eyeball to rest. I just want to take a moment to remind you guys that these are not intended to be 100% realistic. In fact, sometimes people refer to these as ugly mugs, so you can be funky and show off a little bit of personality. The eyes can be a little wacky. It doesn't have to be perfect, so have fun with it. I used a loop tool to take out a little bit of the excess clay to leave room for the eyeball. I'm going to create the eyeballs separately and then place them inside of the sockets. Lastly, I'm going to create the iris of the eyeball by pressing the end of my brush, and that kind of secures the ball of clay in there as well. And now to repeat the steps for that second eye. With one last finishing impression of my paintbrush, the eyes are finished.